Samsung fans have been eagerly waiting for the arrival of the anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, renowned for its combination of top-quality hardware and the beloved essence of the Note series. This upcoming flagship is creating a lot of buzz mainly due to its features, such as a camera system, cutting-edge display, and powerful processor. And that's not all. There are some changes expected in terms of its design. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with a screen and a middle frame featuring right-angle edges along with curved edges. There's also speculation about the use of titanium for the frame, which would enhance both its appeal and durability. To add to the excitement, concept creator, a known tech visualizer, has released a concept video showcasing their artistic interpretation of what the Galaxy S24 Ultra might look like. This visual representation offers fans a sneak peek into how innovative, sleek, and modern this device could be. Enough they've included an accessory in this depiction, featuring a copper-colored accent on its main button. It seems that this alleged design tweak might be specific to a version of this super flagship model, since it shows an even flatter screen for better stylus functionality. However, the leaked render of the S24 Ultra still bears a striking resemblance to its real-life predecessor. Meanwhile, in the month of July, something interesting happened. The Galaxy S24 Plus made an appearance on Geekbench, supporting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 8 GB of RAM. Now the Korean version has also surfaced on Geekbench. This time it's equipped with the Exynos 2400 chip and a whopping 12 GB of RAM. This is actually an improvement compared to the S23 Plus, which only came with 8 GB of RAM. The Geekbench scores for both the Exynos-powered models with 8 and 12 gigs are quite similar, albeit slightly lower than what was achieved by its Snapdragon counterpart. However, it's important to reserve judgment until we get our hands on both versions and conduct our tests. It's possible that the benchmark results were obtained from production units, so we can expect better results from the retail versions in synthetic tests. By the way, what are your thoughts on this new concept video for the upcoming S24 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until then, take care.